bacon fried corn on your flat top griddle. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna be easy, it's gonna be delicious, and the perfect accompaniment for your next barbecue. Let's get going. To start off with, you're gonna need about 6 slices of thick cut bacon that you've chopped up. So you want to cook your bacon until it's around 75% done, and you can see we're only probably about halfway right now. So I got this recipe off of a Blackstone Griddle YouTube channel, I believe. Anyway, thank you, Blackstone. Sorry we're not using a Blackstone, we're using the Cuisinart 360. We're about 75% done here, so I'm just gonna move this bacon off to the side for a minute. So now I'm going down with some corn. I've got one 12-ounce bag of frozen corn. And I know what you guys are thinking, oh man, you should use fresh corn. Well, I'm using some freshly corn grown out of my buddy Mr. and Mrs. Landrum's garden. We're gonna throw that on top. Now I've cut my heat down to low now. I was at medium. So now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna just fold that in just like so. Now we're going in with some of this tequila lime seasoning. All right, so I'm just gonna move some of this back here. Put me some, I'm gonna put me some bacon grease right there. Then we're going in with some of this chunky garlic. That's what this recipe calls for. We're just gonna squeeze it out right there, about that much. You can never have too much garlic. Whew, let me tell you, it is freaking hot out here today. All right, I just cut my heat because I think we're about done. Let's just give it a quick taste. Make sure we're on point. Ooh, smoking hot. We're just testing for seasoning right now to make sure we don't need to add any more. That's pretty spot on. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some cilantro to it. I know some people can't do the cilantro. It tastes like soap, but I love it on mine. If you are not a cilantro person, then leave it out. So we're just gonna rain that down on top. Give that a quick toss in. Just kind of gives, I love the way, the color that it gives it too. This is almost like a Mexican street corn. The only difference is it's gonna be off the cob. And I got some extra special ingredients that's gonna go in here that's gonna really set this off. Get you a cup. All right, so we're gonna go over the top of it with a little bit of this Mexican cheese, queso cojita, or cojita?
It says the T is first.
What do you mean the T is first? Cotija. I like the way that looks. Now we're gonna go over with a little Mexican crema. This actually happens to be Honduran crema, but we're gonna just roll with it. A little Cholula hot sauce. Got a little bit of Cheetos for a little crunch. Oops, a little joker tried to escape. Now let's go with one more. And lastly, a little wedge of lime. All right, let's give it a sample real quick. I'm gonna go over with a little bit of this lime on here. Woo. Hold a minute. That is the bomb diggity right there. First time I ever made this recipe, I can tell you I will do this again and again and again. All right, guys, bacon fried corn on your griddle. Do it.